At PSJ ISD, the first half of this school year has been nothing short of extraordinary. Together, we've made significant strides in academics, safety, leadership, and opportunities for all. This year, the PSJ School Board approved competitive salary increases and loyalty stipends, making PSJ ISD currently the highest paying district in the region. Additionally, through the PSJA Teacher Incentive Allotment, TIA, nearly $16 million was distributed to approximately 48% of highly effective teachers. Established under Texas state law as part of House Bill 3 during the 86th District Legislature, TIA provides a pathway for high-performing teachers to earn six-figure salaries. This funding enables districts to recruit, retain, and reward highly effective educators. Thanks to these efforts, PSJ ISD takes pride in achieving an impressive 96.7% teacher retention rate, one of our best yet. Keeping our PSJ family safe is always a top priority. We've strengthened our safety measures by installing shatter-resistant window film at all campuses. We also launched the PSJ Safe Schools Coalition, engaging high school student government leaders as ambassadors for school safety. Our dedicated PSJ Police Department is leading the charge with school safety presentations for fifth graders, middle schoolers, and high school students, educating them on the serious life-changing consequences of making threats and the dangers of spreading misinformation. Together, we're fostering a culture of safety and accountability. Through a strategic collaborative effort, our curriculum and counseling teams have incorporated critical lessons on school safety during advisory periods. Topics like threats, rumors, misinformation, and mental health are being addressed to educate, empower, and support our students, ensuring they have the tools to navigate challenges and make informed decisions. Our strategic planning efforts, aligned with the Texas Education Agency's effective district framework, continue to pave the way for long-term success. Our 2023 through 2028 Strategic Leadership Plan is guiding our district toward a future of continuity, fidelity, and equity for all students. This process reflects our commitment to inclusive leadership and collaborative decision-making. With the establishment of our steering committee, comprised of representative leaders, through partners and champions, we're harnessing diverse perspectives to create a culture of excellence and innovation. From learning labs and classroom walks to drafting a comprehensive strategic plan, every phase has been vital in aligning our priorities with the TEA's effective district framework levers of impact. Our commitment to innovation extends to expanding career and technical education dual language courses, allowing more students to graduate with industry-recognized certifications and the seal of biliteracy, making them truly career-ready. The opening of PSJ Ballou Learning Center, in partnership with South Texas College, marked another milestone. By offering continuing education opportunities for parents, helping them earn college certificates and industry certifications, we're creating meaningful opportunities for all. Making district history, this fall 2024, we also opened the new PSJ Family Shop in Pharr, a new initiative where our special needs students ages 18 to 21 can gain real-world experience in retail and customer service, exemplifying our belief in opportunities for every learner. The shop is open to our community, inviting all to stop by and purchase unique PSJ merch while giving back to support our students. The opening of our newest PSJA Alamo Building Blocks Academy in Alamo adds to our renowned early childhood program. This innovative campus promotes play-based learning and connects students to the world around them through the Sustainable Development Goals. By building strong educational foundations, we're inspiring a love for learning in even our youngest students. This year, we introduced the PSJ Leadership Academy, an intensive program to prepare 21 talented assistant principals for future principal roles, creating a strong pipeline of future school leaders who will help us share the future. Our focus on math education has been enhanced by the Texas Education Agency's Strong Foundations grant, aimed to improve math instruction across all grade levels. Using the research-based Eureka Math curriculum, we're transforming math from memorization to meaningful learning. With hands-on activities and real-life examples, students are not just solving equations, they're building confidence and critical thinking skills that will last a lifetime. By aligning our math curriculum from elementary through secondary schools, we're ensuring smooth transitions for our students. Programs like daily proficiency exercises and conceptual learning are empowering our students to see math as engaging and relevant. We're also taking care of our staff with the opening of 2 employee clinics in San Juan and Pharr, providing accessible healthcare for our team, a benefit that truly sets PSJ apart. At PSJ ISD, we take pride in being one of the few districts to cover 100% of our employees' basic healthcare plan and offering high-quality healthcare at these facilities. As we reflect on our accomplishments, we also look ahead to an even brighter future for PSJ ISD. Our commitment to excellence means constantly seeking ways to improve and innovate, ensuring our facilities and programs match the extraordinary talent and potential of our students and community. Among the many ways that we're shaping the future is through transformative construction projects that will enhance experiences for all. This spring, renovations will begin on the PSJ Stadium press box, providing state-of-the-art amenities for our students, staff, and community during events. Additionally, the restoration and modernization of the iconic PSJ Osodome Auditorium will soon be underway. Once completed, this beloved facility will continue serving as a premier performing arts complex, a centerpiece for creativity, celebration, and connection for generations of PSJ families to come. With so many achievements behind us and great things still to come, let's continue to work hard and dream big. Together, we're proving that at PSJ ISD, opportunities truly are for all.